we discuss about number systems. Number systems means natural numbers are there, whole numbers are there, integers are there, rational numbers are there, irrational numbers are there. So here first, what about natural numbers? Natural numbers. Natural numbers. Natural numbers means counting numbers are called natural numbers. It denotes as an alphabet n. N is equal to this bracket, we read it as power bracket. So we say as a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. We call it as a natural numbers. Natural numbers means counting numbers are called as a natural numbers. Next word is whole numbers. Whole numbers. Whole numbers means counting numbers plus 0 also belonging there. Counting number 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. plus 0 also belong in such numbers. We call it as a whole numbers. It denotes an alphabet W. W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. We call it as a whole numbers. Next, integers. Next word is integers. Integers means here they are integers means positive numbers also belonging, 0 also belonging, negative numbers also it belonging. Integers means so integers denote an alphabet Z or I is the alphabet using for integers denotation. So Z or I is equal to set of negative numbers -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. We call it as integers. Here negative numbers means numbers which are less than 0. We call it as negative numbers. Numbers greater than 0 is known as positive numbers. Then next word is rational numbers. What about rational numbers? Rational numbers. Rational numbers means the numbers we can express as in form of p by q is known as rational numbers. Here p by q form where p and q are integers. Where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. P by q form, that means we can write as in the fractional form p by q form where p and q are the integers. Integers means it may be negative numbers or positive numbers we can use, but the denominator never become 0 there. For rational numbers examples we can use it as 2 by 3. Why? Because 2 by 3 is a rational number. Here in this number numerator part 2 denoted as p value and denominator part 3 represent q value. Then another example -7 by 8. Here -7 denoted as a p value and 8 denoted as a q value. Then here is it -3 is a rational number? Yes, -3 is an rational number. Why? Because -3 we can represent as a -3 by 1. Here p value represent as -3 and 1 represent as a q value. Next 8 is a rational number or not? Yes, positive 8 is a rational number. Why? Because we can express it as 8 by 1. Here p value represent as 8, q value represent as 1. That's why it is also a rational number. Negative numbers or positive numbers we can represent as in a p by q form. Such type of numbers we call it as a rational numbers. Next we going to discuss about irrational numbers. Next word is irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Irrational numbers means numbers we can't able to express as in form of a p by q is known as a irrational numbers. p by q form, we can't able to express. That means fractional numerator by denominator way, we can't able to express such type of numbers. We call it as a irrational number. Example, root 2 is an irrational number, root 3 is an irrational number, root 5 is an irrational number, pi value is also an irrational number, etc. Pi value means 20, here a 3.14 is a value for a pi value. So we can say pi is also an irrational number only. Why we call it as irrational number? Why? Because we can't able to express this root 2, root 3, root 5 numbers, we can't able to express as in form of a p by q. That's why they are known as irrational numbers. Then next one is equivalent rational numbers. Equivalent rational numbers. Equivalent rational numbers. Equivalent rational numbers means a numerator and denominator are in proportional. They are known as a equivalent rational numbers. Example 2 by 4. Example 2 by 4. Here 2 table used to cancelling time, 1 by 2 is the number. Same way, this original rational number 1 by 2 is multiplied with the, remember, same number we want to use it to multiply numerator and not a different number. Then suppose I multiply with the 3, numerator and denominator multiply with the 3. So 1 into 3 become 3. 2 3s are 6. They are simplifying time. Again we get 1 by 2 as the rational number. That's why we can say 3 by 6 is also an equivalent fraction. Same way, once again, one more, our original number 1 by 2 is multiply numerator and denominator with the same number 4. So numerator 1 into 4 become 4 and 2 4s are 8. Cancelling time we get answer as 1 by 2. So each one can simplification doing time we get. That's why what we can say 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4. And it is same way 3 by 6 also equal to 1 by 2 and 4 by 8 also equal to 1 by 2. Why? Because they are a cancellation doing time. We can get a 1 by 2 as the answer. But a different number using numerator here. Suppose instead of this denominator 3 place 4 using a multiplying time, we get to rational number, but it is not a equivalent rational number. So remember, multiplication doing time, numerator and denominator multiply with the same numbers only using and multiply. Such numbers are known as equivalent rational numbers. Then next one we want to find. The next one is find. First question here, find exercise, textbook exercise 1.1. First question, find one rational number lies between 2 and 3. Lies between 2 and 3. One rational number lies between 2 and 3. Here 2 and 3, remember there are infinite numbers are possible to find, but here they ask you only one rational number they ask you to find. That's why there is one formula is x plus y by 2 is the formula. For finding a one rational number, formula is x plus y by 2 is the formula. Here x value take it as our first number 2 and y value we take it as a second number 3. This x value and y value substitute in our formula, we get one rational number. X place 2, y place 3 and divided by 2, we get answer as 5 by 2 as the answer. So 5 by 2 is the one rational number lies between 2 and 3. Then next one is another question. Second question, find 6 rational numbers. 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We want to find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Here also infinite numbers are possible, but using formula, how to find out? There is one formula for finding a 6 or 2 or more than one number, 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 9 or 10 or like this way they asking time. There is a one formula. Formula is D is equal to y minus x divided by a 2 is the 4. So y minus x divided by n plus 1 is the formula for finding a d value. D is equal to y minus x divided by n plus 1 is the formula for finding a 6 rational number or a 5 rational number between or a 9 rational, like this way question asking time. There is one formula. D is equal to y minus x divided by n plus 1 is the formula for finding a 6 rational number. How to find out that? Here where x value, we want variables as are y, x and d. X value indicated as in this question which is our first number. 3 is our first number, so x place we substitute 3 and y place we substitute 4. So x place 3 we substitute, y place our second number given here as 4, that's why y place we substitute as 4. Then next n value, how to find out means here how many rational numbers they ask to find 6 rational. That's why n place we substitute 6 as the number. Then value substitute and solving time. Here first solving time, how to find d value. So d is equal to y place y value is 4 minus x place x value was 3 by formula have n means n value represent as 6 plus 1. So 4 minus 3 numerator part subtracting time 1 by 6 plus 1 comes to be 7 is our d value. This is our d value. Then first number, second number, third number, fourth number, like this 6 numbers we want to find. How to find a formula is there again. First number find the formula x plus dA, second number x plus 2dA, third number x plus 3dA, fourth number x plus 4dA, fifth number x plus 5dA, sixth number represent as x plus 6dA. Here one or two numbers finding, after the remaining numbers we can find out. First number, how to find out? First number, how to find out means formula is x plus dA. X value and d value have no change in each for term. Same each number case x value is same only. In this question x value is 3 and d value represent as 1 by 7. That value substitute x place x value 3 plus d place 1 by 7. Here see 3 is a whole number and 1 by 7 is a fractional number. They ask you to add. Directly we can't directly add. So how to add means take LCM. Here LCM become how much? LCM become 7 is our LCM. So here how to find cross multiply or denominator put as here first number is a whole number. For avoiding confusion keep denominator as 1. So we can write cross multiply this one. Directly we can cross multiply. So we directly cross multiply in time. 3 into 7 comes to be 3 into 7 plus 1 into 1 comes to be divided by 1 into 7. So answer become 3 into 7 become 21 plus 1 into 1 equal 1 by 7. So answer is 22 by 7 is our first number. Same way we can find out second number. Second number case formula is x plus 2d is our formula. Formula is x plus 2d is our formula. X value have no change, d value have no change there. X place x value we take it as 3a plus 2 into d place d value, consider it as 1 by 7 is our d value. So here also LCM take for avoiding confusion, keep 3 place a denominator as 1, then cross multiply. So 7 is cross multiply, 1 is cross multiply. So 3 into 7 plus 2 into 1 become a 2, then 1 into 2 becomes here cross multiply, whole divided by 1 into 7 become a 7 only. So answer become how much? 3 into 7 become 21 plus 2 into 1 become 2 by 7. Answer become 21 plus 2 become 23 by 7 is our second number. Same way third, fourth, fifth, but here need not want to find it. We can directly write first number we got it as 22 by 7. Second number is 23 by 7, and third number 24 by 7. Fourth number 25 by 7. Fifth number 26 by 7. Sixth numbers they ask it. So sixth number we mark it as 27 by 7 is our sixth place number. Like this way we can find out. Then next this is the one model question. Next question. Find third question. Find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. We want to find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. How to find out? The formula have no change. Same formula only we use it to find it. So what is our formula? D value find. The formula is D is equal to y minus x by n plus 1 is the formula. D by finding value formula. Y minus x by n plus 1 is the formula for finding D. Here x value indicated as first number. Here which number they ask you to find? 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. First number in the given number, first number is 3 by 5. So x value take it as 3 by 5 and y value take it as 4 by 5 and n value we take it here. How many numbers they ask you to find? 6 rational number. That's why n place we can substitute 6. So value substituting time D is equal to y place 4 by 5 minus x place 3 by 5 by n place 6 plus 1 equal 4 by 5 minus 3 by n place 6 not 5. So 5 why? Because here n place 5 rational numbers are asking. That's why n place 5 will be substituted. So 5 plus 1. So denominators are same. That's why for numerator part is subtracted. 4 minus 3 become 1 and same denominator right. 5 plus 1 comes to be how much? 6. Then here see 5 and 6 are both are in the denominator. That's why 5 and 6 are multiply. So we get answer as 5 6 are 30. So 1 by 30 is our D value. Then here first, second, third number how to find out means there is a formula. X plus D is indicators of first number. Second number is x plus 2D. Third number is x plus 3D. Fourth number is x plus 4D. Fifth number is x plus 5D. Here 5 numbers we are asking. That's why we write it as x plus 5D. So first number how to find out? first number is equal to x plus d is the formula. X place x value have no change. 3 by 5 is our first number plus d value how much? 1 by 30 is our d value. Here see both are fractional number and they ask you to add, but different denominators are there. That's why here direct addition not possible. That's why but here we want to find a LCM. Here LCM how to find out? A prime factorization using and find out. How to find out the prime factor? What are the prime numbers? Numbers having only two factors, one and the same number itself, we call it as prime numbers. Which are they? 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 11 is a prime number, 13 is a prime number. So on infinite numbers are there prime numbers. So remember, prime numbers means numbers having only two factors, one and the same numbers itself, we call it as a prime number. Here we use prime number 5, we use it to divide 5 table 5 one time, 5 table 66 time. Again here 5 table prime number 5 not possible. That's why next prime number we consider it as a 2 or 3. You can consider, I consider here as a 2. Prime number 2 use it to divide. Here 1 only, 2 table 6 3 times. Then 3 is a prime number. Which prime number we use? Only 3 use it to division, divided, then only we get answer as a 1 only. So prime factorization doing factors right in there. 5 into 2 into 3, 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30 is our LCM. Then using this LCM, first number find out. Here first fraction is 3 by 5, then multiply with the LCM 30 plus second fraction is 1 by 30, that also take and multiply with the same LCM 30 whole divided with the LCM 30. 5 and 30 cancel, 5 table 30, 6 times 30 and 30 same number cancellation 1. Again numerator into numerator, 3 6 are 18 plus 1 into 1 by denominator is 13, 18 plus 1 comes to be 19 by 30 is our first number. Same way we want to find a second number also. One more number also find, and remaining numbers we can directly write. Then next second number how to find out? X plus 2d. X place x value represent as 3 by 5. So we can write x plus 3 by 5 plus 2 into d place d value, we got it as 1 by 30. So here also LCM take, here also LCM become how much? 30 is our LCM. Each fraction, first fraction is 3 by 5, multiply with LCM 30 plus 2 into 1, 2 by 30 is our second term, that also multiply with the same LCM 30 whole divided by 30. Don't forget to put a whole divided by 30. 5 table 30 6 times, 30 and 30 same number cancellation 1 time. Then numerator part multiply 3 6 are 18 plus 2 into 1 comes to be 2 by 30. So 18 plus 2 comes to be 20 by 30 is our second number. So therefore we can write the remaining numbers directly. First number is 19 by 30, second number is 20 by 30, third number is 21 by 30, fourth number 22 by 30, fifth number 23 by 30. This is I hope you can understand this topic. Thank you.